Hello students, this is class 7th math and we have started chapter number 10, that is simple interest. Introduction and question number 1, 4 parts are already done. So today we will start with question number 5, means question number 1 part number 5. And the part 5 is, he said rupees 600 from July 12 to December 5 at 10% per annum. Means here principal is given but time is given but in complication. Means he didn't give you a particular time that 4 years 6 years. He has given you days, on days that we also have to calculate, right? And then rate is given. Rate is per annum, means yearly rate is going to apply. So for this, if you want to calculate the time beta, then we must be aware that how many days are there in the particular month. To learn that, I'm just going to write the months and the days. I will request you that kindly read that and try to remember the number of days that coming in the particular month. So in Jan, there are 31 days. In Feb, 28 or 29. March, again 31. But the sequence is going in alternative way. 31, 30, 31 means एक तो हम याद कर ही सकते हैं ना, 29 या 28 होते हैं. And then they are going in alternative way. 31, 30, 31, 30. But आफ्टर जून, जो आपका वेकेशन का मंथ होता है, उसके बाद 2 मंथ ऐसे आते हैं जिनके अंदर 31 डेज होते हैं. ये आपको याद करना है किसी ना किसी वे से. ऐसे याद कर लो कि आप छुट्टियां काट के जाते हैं, मज़े करते हैं, उसके बाद आपको 31 डेज मिलते हैं हार्ड वर्क करने के लिए हर एक मंथ में. आफ्टर दैट अगेन द सीक्वेंस इज गोइंग ऑन 30, 31, 30, 31, राइट. तो इसको आपने याद करना है. नाउ हाउ टू डू द सम. बेटा इन द पर्टिकुलर सम्स वेयर द मंथ्स आर गिवन विद द डेज or the date, here the first date on which we are going to start the we have invested the money, that day is excluded. उस डे के अंदर, वो डे जो है उसके अंदर सिंपल इंटरेस्ट अप्लाई नहीं होता, उसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं लिया जाता है. बट द लास्ट डे दैट इज December 5, ये डे इंक्लूड होगा और इसके ऊपर इंटरेस्ट पड़ेगा. जिस दिन आपने पैसे लिए उस दिन कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं लगेगा, बट जिस दिन आप वापस कर रहे हो वो दिन इंक्लूड होगा एंड interest will be applicable there. Now let's start. 600 is principal and then 10% is rate. R is 10%. Now how to find time? For time beta, first is July. In July month, how many days are there? 31. But first we have started from 12 July, means I told you that on the day you are getting money, that on that day there will be no interest. So first 12 days from the July month will be excluded. Means the number of days in July will be 31 minus 12. July, and then August, September, October, November, and then December, right? In August there, how many months are there? Sorry, days are there, 31. In September again 30, October 31, November 30, and in December 31. We will add all the days, but from July what we will do, we will subtract 12 from the 31, that whatever will be left will be added in the sum of these days. ठीक है बेटा, आप इन सबको ऐड करोगे and you will get the time. It becomes I think 146. You will add it and then find how many days are these. So these are days, these are not months or years, right? Now we have to convert these days into year. So what we will do, how many days in 1 year? 365 days, right? So to convert the time into years, we will divide 146 by 365 and the time will automatically be written in the year. Getting? Now with the same formula that you have done yesterday, With the same formula, we will find the simple interest. Principal into rate into time over 100. So here principal is 600. Rate is 10. Time we got, that is 146 over 365 year, into the percent which is written with the rate. When it will be removed, you will write 100 in the denominator, right? Now we will cancel the numbers. Cancel these two zeros with the zeros of 600. Now cancel the numbers. Cancelling is must बेटा. अगर आपको मैथ्स में कैंसलिंग नहीं ना आती then प्रॉब्लम होगी मैथ करने में आगे आगे. Now इसके last digit is 5 and last digit is 0. So they both can come in the 5. Both the numbers can be cancelled with 5. Now start cancelling. So after cancelling you will get 6 to 2. Nothing will be in the denominator. 6 to the 12 to the 24. Answer will be 24 rupees. Means interest is 24 rupees. Now the second thing that we have to find, that is amount. How to find amount? Amount is principal plus simple interest. Principal is 600 plus interest is 24. Right? So the answer will be 624 rupees. Beta, watch the video carefully so that you learn that how to convert the given days into years. Right? So next we will do in the next video. Thank you.